Is your organic traffic declining or not growing? Is your website falling behind the competition? If people can't find your business on Google, they will find your competition. Hi, I am Aman, founder of Saga SEO. Over the last 8 years, we have worked with thousands of clients, solidifying our reputation as digital marketing expert. With a champion team of 25 plus professionals, our SEO services will help move your website toward the top Google results. Whether you are a small business or a large corporation looking to improve traffic and leads, use Saga SEO team as an extension of your company. We strive to continuously earn your business and your trust through transparent communication, integrity and results. We take targeted SEO strategies we have used for similar websites and apply them to your campaign, eliminating the guesswork. By focusing on the right keywords, we will help you grow your customer base month over month. Let's connect and grow your business. We deliver results.